Hello and welcome to the Market Bull. I'm Rebecca Marsh, and today we're joined in the studio by Phil Carter, the CEO at 49Metals. Phil, thank you so much for joining me today.
Thanks, Rebecca. Thanks for being here.
So 49Metals recently closed a $10 million IPO after being heavily oversubscribed. How are things progressing, and can you advise a likely listing date on the ASX?
So we closed our IPO a number of weeks ago, raised $10 million, well supported by existing shareholders, retail, sophisticated institutional investors, and we welcome all our new shareholders to the register. Now, as far as listing date goes, we have not got any confirmation from ASX just yet, but it is likely to be mid next week.
So what is set to be the company's flagship project following this listing?
So our initial project focus will be on our Gold Mountain project, located about halfway between Reno and Vegas in Nevada. Now, Gold Mountain is a well-known project. It's been historically mined since the early 1900s. Previously, explorers used to focus on the oxide gold mineralisation. We believe there's opportunity to look below the oxide layer. We know on our project that gold has association with pyrite, which is obviously quite easy to find using geophysics, which we will do the work on and hone in on some good targets. Hopefully we find the sulfides and find some more gold. We also know that gold is associated in these sort of high-grade shear zones with some lower grade bulk halos around these sort of narrow high grade veins. We'll look to explore those sort of high grade targets in the near term as well.
I'll just get you to take us through any other projects that 49Metals has on its books.
We've got two other projects. Firstly, Sinter, that's located probably a few kilometres to the east of Gold Mountain. We think it could be part of the same system as Gold Mountain, being epithermal, but it's complete greenfields. We don't quite know just yet. We have done some rock chip sampling. We do have some good gold numbers on surface from rock chips, and there's presence of lots of historic adits and old time mines and shafts all across the project. Pretty sure there's gold there somewhere. It's a matter of us to try to hone down in and find out where it is. And lastly, but not least, Buffalo Canyon is a different type of project. It's an IRGS, or it's intrusion related. So think, low grade bulk tons. Again, previously explored. There is some consistent mineralisation from surface. Again, relatively low grade, but we want to do a slow burn this project, try and prove some scale to it, add tons, and see where it goes from there.
And Phil, lastly, what work streams will the company be focusing on following this IPO?
So initially our focus will be Gold Mountain, as mentioned before. We do have a drill rig lined up, so we hope to be drilling pretty soon after IPO. Obviously some logistics to work out there. We want to be drilling Gold Mountain as soon as sort of practically possible. And beyond that, we'll look to advance Sinter and Buffalo Canyon over the coming months and try and work out some drill targets.
Phil, thank you so much for joining us today on the Market Bull.
No worries, thanks Rebecca.